kami, isa sa ginawa naming baga yung napag-usapan namin is kasi helping your relatives, you're not helping them if you're just giving them money. You help people by, kung ikaw yung mas capable na, to educate or maybe assist your family na tumayo on their own, di ba? Hindi kasi pwedeng habang buhay nakasandal tayo or nakadepende tayo, kahit kanino pa yan.
Instead of giving them money or giving them what they need, help them to have source kung paano kikita ng pera.
Yes.
Or kung paano magkakaroon ng gusto nila. We try to help them or to teach them how they can earn money. Halimbawa, papatulungin namin sila sa business namin para pwede din silang mag-earn ng pera. Kung kailangan may hard work, kailangan yung may kikilos sila, yung paghihirapan nila.
Ang bottom line nito, guys, for couples, you really have to talk about it.
And based on our experience din sa mga relatives and kahit sa family namin, sa sarili-sarili naming family, hindi din talaga effective yung tutulungan mo ng tuloy-tuloy. Dadating yung point na sometimes titiisin mo.
That's called
tough love.
Yes, tough love.
Kasi pag tiniis mo, dun sila matututo na
tumayo on their own.
Tumayo on their own na hindi sila aasa sa'yo. And sometimes it's better.
Yes.
Diba? It will turn out better.
It is.